Is the donor actually held in place by suction? That one?
No, it's not.
Yeah. Yeah, I actually, yeah, for quite a while I was just putting it on the block, uh, guesstimating the center of the cornea and just getting a handheld blade, sometimes on a handle,
Hmm.
and cutting down. And I wasn't always happy with the cut. It
Mm.
was the sides may be a little bit sloped, or I wasn't getting quite in the center of the donor and getting a bit of sometimes a bit of arcus. So
Hmm.
I wasn't happy with that system, and uh, there's other older systems, with those heavy metal mounts, with that thing that sort of fits over the block.
Hmm.
So I tried that for a bit, and those ones tend to obscure your view of
Right.
the donor as you're cutting it, so you never quite know that your center. And lately, I've actually been using the Moria tree fines, and there's a Boosin modification, and it's quite
Huh.
nice. It's actually got a suction to hold the donor in place,
Hmm.
and it's got a center hole.
Hmm.
And I wasn't that particular before, but now when I get the donor, I like to mark on the epithelial side the exact center.
Hmm.
So I'll get the calipers, overlapping caliper technique to find the exact center of the donor,
Mm.
and then flip it over and line it exactly where the center hole of this tree fine is, and and suck it on with the syringe.
Okay.
So that donor's not moving anywhere, and
Hmm.
then this tree fine, yeah, the blade mechanism is mounted in its own little shell that fits snugly over the block,
Hmm.
and there's big holes in that shell, so you can actually see exactly what you're doing as you're trefining.
Okay.
But it's really nice because you get a nice vertical cut, and you know the cut is going to be perfectly in the center of your donor.
Is
Yeah.
that the one with the four guideposts that sort of allows the whole assembly to kind of come together?
No, it's not that one. This is a boost in modification.
Okay.
Um, but yeah, I know that one you're talking about. That's the older style one with the
Yes.
four metal posts sticking out of that plastic block.
Right, right. And I
Yeah,
I think that the vacuum on the donor is a very nice feature, though. I mean, it really
yeah.
allows you to put your graft in the right position. It doesn't move.
I
Um,
think it's particularly important for the larger donors that we're using because, yeah, when you're putting a 9 millimeter donor in, you don't want an eccentric cut. If you enjoyed this lecture so far, please subscribe to http://iop.vision. I hope you enjoyed this series as much as we have putting it together. Thank you.